Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are well. So, in today's computer class, we will start new chapter 4, Understanding Windows 10. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand what is Windows. Okay, before explaining about the Windows, I want to ask you something. See, at your home, who take care of all the household jobs at your home? Means who take care of the all the things at your home? Your parents, your mother, your father, and your other elders. They manages all the things at house. They manages each and everything. Either it is purchasing any daily need things or anything for you and for the house, anything. Okay, so your parents are there for that. They manages each and everything at house. But see, if your parents are not there, means they are away, okay, and you have to manage those all things, so you will get trouble. Okay, you will find yourself in a mess. It will be very tough for you because it's not your job, and there are many things at our homes that we need to do every day. There are many things: cooking food, dusting, taking care of individuals meal, and washing clothes. There are so many things. Okay, so you can't do it because it's not your job. First of all, you are not capable in managing all these things. Okay, because there are multiple things. Now if we comes to computer, a computer also has many things to do. There are many activities, many tasks which happens inside the computer. Now the question is that who manages all these activities? Who is there for that? So the answer is operating system. The answer is operating system. Operating system, it's a system software which manages each and everything in computer. We cannot start a computer without an operating system. Now Windows 10, about which we are going to learn in this chapter, Windows 10 is also an operating system. Okay, Windows 10 is an operating system. We cannot use a computer without operating system. We can't start even. Okay, we can't start a computer without operating system. With the help of this picture, I want to show you the importance of operating system. You all can see this is the top layer of the system. Top layer of the system means here we all uses the computer. User means me and you, the person who is using computer. Okay, and we use computer through any application. This application, it may be MS Paint, it may be Tux Paint, it may be MS Word. Okay, using which you are interacting with system. Okay, this is the software which you are using for your work. Okay, but how this software is running, where the software is saved in the system, who is taking care of proper functioning of that application software. Application software means Word, PowerPoint, or MS Paint, Tux Paint. These all are application software. Okay, so for proper functioning of application softwares, we need a special set of program called operating system. It is a system software, or it is a set of special programs which runs the computer. Okay, as your parents runs your home, the operating system runs the computer. Okay, without operating system we cannot use computer. Okay, and at last hardware means जो भी physical parts है. Okay, all the physical parts of computer like keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU, these are all hardwares. Okay, so we can't deal with the softwares directly. We use hardware, है ना. You press the button of CPU and the computer gets started. You think you have just pressed the button and the computer gets started, but no, here you are wrong. As you press that button, all the programs stored inside the CPU get activated and they comes in the computer's memory, and then you can see the result on the monitor. Okay, So as you start a computer, so the first window which appears, that is desktop. Or in desktop, what do you see? You see a special window. Okay, normally when we think about window, I am talking about window here. I am not talking about windows. I am saying window. So the picture which comes in our mind is a glass type window, a window of a glass using which we can see outside. है ना? We can close it, we can open it, we can show different things outside that window. So windows, now I'm coming to windows. So like that window, windows is also like that window from which we can access different programs. Okay, using windows we can access different program. It frame and shows us many programs on the screen. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn different features of Windows 10. We will learn about different components of Windows. Okay, and in the next page we have features of Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10, because there are some previous versions of Windows also, like Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows XP. There are many versions, but 10 is latest. Okay, so it has many features, okay, about which we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so read page number 38 by yourself. Read about the features of Windows 10. See you all in the next class. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.